Fresh tuna cooked two ways, grilled over open flame until smoky and perfectly charred, and simmered into a rich, comforting soup with fresh vegetables, captures the full spectrum of coastal flavor. The grilled steak drips with natural oils as the skin crisps against the fire, while the tuna head sabaw turns tender and savory, releasing deep ocean richness into every ladle. Each bite hits differently, bold, juicy, and smoky from the grill, then warm, briny, and soothing from the broth, creating a feast that celebrates the fish from flesh to bone. Cooked outdoors and shared Gamayan style, this is Filipino seafood at its purest. No shortcuts, no fancy tools, just fresh catch, real fire, and the kind of meal that tastes better because it's made together. It's the sound of crackling charcoal, the scent of seawater still clinging to the fish, and the joy of eating with your hands while the breeze carries the aroma across the shore. This is coastal cooking the way it's meant to be, simple, communal, and unforgettable.
Sabaw. Luno natin yung isda. Ito ka sa ulo eh. Sa karahay. Timplahan natin eh. Kilaw, kilaw. Ayos. Nah, mga ta. Tulo na kulaway. Tayo. Kayo mo ka jobs kain. Dami aning atong kaon eh. Barilis. Toslos kilaw. Sinabong barilis. Oh. Sinabaw. Gulay. Hasil ang kalami. Hindaw ka. Botog tinibuo ko eh. Baw. Kain po tayo, kain po. Ah. Ibu. Bo. Ibu. Ya. Ya. Lubil ah. Dahil sudan.